So, okay, now you have to write down this in your maths notebook. Okay? Fill in the blanks. You have to note this down in your maths fair notebook. Fill in the blanks. Then which of the numbers are divisible by 3? Yeah, I think you cannot see from here. It's 13349. Just give me a minute. I'm just doing it properly. Sure, and Apurva, once try to record it, beta, because I've given you already the permission to record. Okay? Okay, rest of the questions also I'm giving you. Number four, question. Yes, 7 is 56, 7 and 8 are dash of 56. 56 is the dash of 7 and 8. Just wait a minute. Abhi I'm opening. Abhi I'm opening. You have to wait a little bit. Let me see some of the settings I have to see. Abhi I'm okay. I hope you all can see it. Yes or no? As soon as you have done it, just tell me that you have done it, okay? Today, no need to send the answers on WhatsApp, okay? Right, question 5. As soon as you do it, just tell me, ma'am, that I have done, okay? Are you all doing it? What is your name? Take a name. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Okay. Okay, Riddhi. Very good. Do not send it, okay? Today do not send it, okay, Anjali? Very good. Okay. What you have done in this one? Have you solved it? This one, third one. Have you all solved it? You underlined it. Okay. Rehansh, have you done it? Okay. Yes, beta. What? It's okay. It's okay. Now it is working. What is it working? What is working, beta? Who is saying this? Who? Tell me your name. Then only I will leave. Okay, Shaurya and Apurva. I'm just giving. Just wait a minute, beta. Everyone just wait. Okay, Shaurya and Apurva I've given, beta. See, now is it working? Is it working, beta, now? Switch on your mic. Keep your mic switch on, Shaurya and Apurva. I will explain you. I will explain you. Don't worry. Shaurya and Apurva, is it coming, beta, now or not? Is it recording? Okay, ठीक है. I'll talk to you afterwards, both of you. Just keep on recording and I'll talk to you afterwards. Videos not. Who's saying? Mehul, na? Yes, yes, it is not recording. That's why. Beta, but the option is not saying. Is it coming recording option? Shaurya and Apurva, switch on your mic, beta. It Shaurya and Apurva. Beta, I'm asking from Shaurya and Apurva. Beta, I am asking from Shaurya and Apurva. Please, everyone. Yes, Shaurya. I'm talking to Shaurya and Apurva. So nobody else will reply during that time. Okay, it's not recording. Okay, 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 beta. Let me check once again. Raise your hand, Shaurya and Apurva. Okay, I got it. Leave it. What is it showing if you are going to record it? What is it showing? What option does it show? Local recording option. Okay, let me see then today. Okay, chalo. There is a box coming for various things na beta, like this it is coming na. There are some options coming. है ना? Okay, okay, okay. I got it. There is some technical problem that means today. Beta, it might be a network problem, but my video is completely working. Right? Is my video working, everyone? Yes. So shall I tell you the answers? Shall I? Shall I tell you the answers of these? Okay, please go through it quickly. I am in fifth. Wherever you are, just be quick. Okay. The smallest factor of any number is what? The smallest factor of any number is 1. The smallest factor of any number is 1. Okay. The greatest factor of any number is, see, if I ask you, for example, beta, listen here carefully. If I ask you the factors of, if I ask you to take out the factors of 9, 9. So this you will write 1, 3, 9. If I ask you to take out the factors of 15, so 1, 3, 5, 15. If I ask you to take out the factors of 5, so 1 and 5. So see, what is the smallest factor? We always write the smallest factor as 1. We always write the smallest factor as 1. Is there any factor less than 1? Is there any factor less than 1? No, there is no any factor less than 1. So the smallest factor of any number is 1. Okay, the greatest factor of any number is, what is the number? Is the number itself. Suppose it is 5, then it will be 5. Number itself. Number itself. Which of the numbers are divisible by 3? Okay, see, 3 plus 4 plus 9. Total is what? 3 plus 4 plus 9. What is the sum? 509. Beta, I'm saying this is 3, 4, 9. What is their sum? If you add 3 plus 4 plus 9. If you add 3 plus 4 plus 9, what is the sum? The sum is 9 4 13 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. Very good. 16 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 349 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is the sum total? 3, 3, 6, 4, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3 again. Then 5091. 5 plus 0 plus 9 plus 1. What is the sum total? 15 is divisible by 3. So this is also not, and this is divisible by 3. So 5091 is the correct answer. Understood everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt from anyone? If you have any doubt, you can ask. No? Okay. 7 8 are 56. 7 8 are 56. Okay. So 7 and 8 are what of 56? 7 and 8 are what? 7 and 8 are what? Factors. 7 and 8 are factors of 56. And 50, yes, factors. 56 is the dash of 7 and 8. 7 and 8 we are multiplying, that we are getting the answer. The answer of multiple, it will be multiples. May my photo is blurred? Okay, the multiple of a number is always, if you write any multiple of a number, say 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, dot dot dot. So the multiple of a number is always dash or dash then the given number. Multiple of a number is dash of a number is always, multiple जो होता है is either equal to the number or greater than the number. Equal or greater. Equal or greater. Greater, greater, greater. Better let me take your attendance for a minute. Okay, I'm just stopping my video. My video will be stopped for a minute. I'm taking your attendance. Participants. Okay. Afra, it's there. Akshat Sahu, Bhavishya Gaur. Today in fourth B also I'm having one more period, and fourth A also I'm having one more period. Okay, I've taken your attendance. Beta, I know very well where is my next period, where is my next period or not. Okay. So shall I rub this? All of you got this? What is, all of you have done this? Okay, I'm waiting. Is it equal and or greater? Most of you are not able to understand. Equal or greater. Beta, we will start the next chapter. First of all, let these be proper. There is some technical issue. Then we will start this next chapter. When this technical issue will not be there. Now is it okay? Hello, I'm giving you one chance. Do it. Just let me. All of you have done this. All of you can. Abhi, I'll stop my video. Hello, Om, now try it. Om, try it. नहीं नहीं, that we don't want. No, no, not that thing. No, 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 Om, I'm not asking for that. I knew it. I also knew it well. I'm not asking for that. So shall I rub this? All of you have done this? Now I have given you so much time. No, now I'm waiting for this. Chalo, I'm waiting. Only the fourth and fifth I'm not rubbing. Beta, why are you taking so long? Huh? Why are you taking so long to solve these type of questions? They are not so long. Acha, wait a minute. Let me spotlight my video. Okay, okay, okay. Beta, please switch off your mic. Anukat Saxena, please switch off your mic. Now he will not be able to do it. Okay? Now is my video coming? Beta, please switch off your mics, otherwise my video will not be visible to others. They will face problem. Speak in English first of all. I'm not going to tell you. इसके बाद what? Equal or greater? Or greater. Everyone, are you able to see my video? Otherwise, there is an option in front of my name that pin chat. You can pin that chat. It will be easy for you. Okay, tell me quickly what are twin primes? Tell me quickly twin primes. Right, next question number 6. Right, question 6. After 5, write down the sixth one here. Which of the following numbers are twin primes? A part.